Okay, we're at day 10. Yay! You gonna dance with us? Yay! Hi! So this is the video training for day 10 in manifesting miracles. Day 10. First of all, congratulations that you've even made it this far, that you've been applying, that you continue to apply, that you continue to reach and strive and learn and grow, and you know you're really looking to manifest these miracles in your life, because it's not easy. It's definitely not easy. No. But the more you do it, the easier it will get, I promise. For those of you who are new, I am Priestess LaMeel. Welcome to my sacred circle. If you are interested in taking classes, courses, getting a private reading, being part of our alignment coaching group, or any of those things, all of the information is listed below. I love to read your comments. Don't forget to like this video if the message resonates with you. Subscribe if you are new. No ma'am, don't do that. And let's get into today's video, which is about releasing the fear. So a lot of us fear success underlyingly, and we don't know. A lot of us want stuff. Okay, thank you. A lot of us want things, but we fear, what if I don't get it? And really how that translates is, what if I get it, right? Because we're in an attraction-based universe, and there is no don't in an attraction-based. There's no accounting for the don't, the can't, the won't, the didn't, right? So when you're feeling the energy of what if I don't get it, it's just, I don't have it. It's the same energy. I don't have it. I don't have it. I don't have it, right? And so the universe goes, oh, we thought she wanted it, but the vibration she's giving out is, I don't have it. So let's not give that to her, because that's really what she's saying to us. She wants to experience more of not having it. Thank you. More of not having it. And so you don't get it. That fear is not like, oh, I really want it, I'm just concerned. Like, none of that matters. When you have the underlying thought of, I really, really want this, but what if I don't get it? You don't get it. You just don't get it. So you have to release the fear. It's the fear of what if I do, the fear of what if I don't. You have to let all of those things go. And the more that you practice the releasing, part of letting go of that fear is releasing the outcome. Hello. Thank you. Is releasing the outcome. You need to be okay if it comes or doesn't come. You need to not be in the energy of needing it. There are times when we're manifesting things that we really do need, but you need to be able to carry the energy as if you don't care. You know, it's sort of like if you've ever had a relationship or really wanted to be with someone, and it was a lot of like back and forth, and you weren't really sure if they're feeling you or whatever, right? And so it's like, you know what? I don't even care anymore. And then boom, all of a sudden it's like, I pick you, I want you, come be with me, let's run off together. And it's like, well, damn, you know, when I was wanting you, you weren't interested, right? It's like when you're looking for a job and you can't find a job, but when you finally get a job, all the jobs call, because now you're no longer in the energy of, I need it, I need it, I need it, and you allow it. And so that is really where you need to work to get to. That's probably the biggest amount of work that you have to do, is get into the energy of not, you're blocking grandma, getting into the energy of not needing it. When you get into the energy of not needing it, You release the fear of what if it doesn't come. You release the fear of what am I going to do if I get it. Part of manifesting something specific is that you should know what you're going to do when you get it, right? So if you already know what you're going to do when you get it, then there should be very little fear about what if I get this. Sometimes there's fear around, am I worthy? You know, who am I to deserve this? Why should this happen for me versus someone else? And that's different. That's a different type of work, but all of those things are things that need to be worked through. Today, I want you to release the fear of what if it doesn't come? What if I'm asking for $5,000 and it doesn't show up? You're no worse off. You feel better, right? It's a great journaling point. Stop, Mom. It's a great journaling point. Like, the miracle that I would like to experience is $5,000 in the next 2 weeks. So, what limiting beliefs or what fears do I have that is keeping me I'm laughing at that over there, that's keeping me from experiencing this $5,000 in the next 2 weeks? And journal all that shit out. Journal it out, and then you're gonna have to use a lot of different techniques on addressing those things. But you can't address your fear if you don't really know what you're afraid of. And the journaling process will allow, and don't hold things back. Journal, it's just for you. Let it all flow. And a lot of times for most of us, shit comes up that it's like, what the fuck? Where? Who? Why would I even believe this? But it comes up, so fucking address it so you can let it go. Right? It's gonna come up, and that's part of the purging and the releasing. And I'm gonna tell you that the energy right now is all about the release. I had to check on her, sorry. It's all about the release. This is the time. This is the energy. Release and rise. Release and rise. That is what this energy is all about. Release and rise. Release and rise. I can't say it enough. Release and rise. So you need to figure out how to let go of these fear-based energy, these fear-based thoughts, so that you can rise and be in alignment with your miracles. She's getting excited with me. But that is today's lesson. Release the fear. If this message resonated with you, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, click the bell for tomorrow's video, and other videos that I usually will be releasing on Tuesdays. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for being great supporters, and I will see you in the next video.